Hey, in this video, I'll actually show you how I fixed this. I fixed the AirPods Pro not connecting to my phone. As you can see, they're easily connecting. You can see them here, you can see them in other places, and I'll show you what I did to actually do that. There were a few things that I had to go over. First thing is you want to go and make sure that you click on the General tab, Software Update, and that you have the latest version of iOS. I personally think this is the first thing you need to do. The second thing you want to do is, if they're not connecting, is switching Bluetooth on and off and on and off until you actually see them. Sometimes that helps, and also you want to do that on your AirPods as well. I'll do that right now. And when I click on the Bluetooth and when I touch the button on the back, after a few seconds they are turned on. This is the first thing. The second thing is, sometimes my wife, even though she has her AirPods, she gets mine. So you want to make sure that she's disconnected, or your relatives or your kids are actually, or your brother or sister are disconnected from your AirPods. Another thing you can do is going over to your settings tab, then clicking on general, and from here you want to navigate to transfer or reset your iPhone, reset, and you want to click on the first option, reset all settings, which will reset all settings including Bluetooth settings. So sometimes network setting might help as well. You also want to back up your data before doing things like this. But if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. If I did help you out, slap the like button, subscribe, and see you next one.